morning, tutors. Heartily welcome to Gurdeva online classes. Yes, what we have discussed in the last class? Yes, it's about the multiplication of two-digit number by one-digit number, right? But in this concept, we are not giving any carry to the next place values, right? So now, by using that concept, we have to solve these two problems one by one, right? So come to the first one. So 41 into 2, right? So in this problem, 41 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier, right? So you always multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier. So and also you have to write down under the columns of tens and ones at first. And the next thing is you have to write down the multiplicand at first. The next, write down the multiplier. So the next step is 2 into 1. You always multiply the numbers in ones column at first. So 2 into 1. 2, 1 is 2 itself. So 2, 1 is 2. I am writing here 2. The next, come to the next number, that is 4. So 4 into 2. 4 2s are equals to what? Yes, in the table of 2, 2 1 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So which is our product? 82 is our product, right? So come to the second problem, 32 into 3. So in this problem, 32 is the multiplicand and 3 is the multiplier, right? So first step is you have to solve the numbers in the ones column. So 3 into 2. 3 2s are 6, right? So write down here 6. So now come to the next column, that is tens, right? So 3 into 3. 3 into 3. 3 3s are equals to what? 3 1 is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So write down the 9 under the columns of tens. So which is our product? Here 96 is our product, right? So my dear students, so this is about our yesterday class. So now come to our today's class. So here this is the same concept, but in this concept I am doing with the carry problems, right? So my dear students, now come to the first problem on the concept with carry. It means here we are giving a carry to the next places, right? So first, the number one problem is multiply 28 by 2. So first, in this problem, 28 is the multiplicand and 2 is the multiplier, right? So first, you have to arrange these numbers under the columns of tens and ones. So my dear students, here I arrange the given numbers under the columns of ones and tens. So here I am taking only ones and tens because the multiplicand, it is a two-digit number, right? You have to multiply the numbers in the ones column and also you always multiply the multiplicand with the multiplier. 2 into 8. 2 8s are equals to what? Yes, in the table of 2. So 2 8s are equals to 16, right? But 16, it is a two-digit number. How can you write this 16 in the ones column? We never write the two-digit number in the columns of ones, right? So what can we do? So look here, this 6, it is in the place of ones and 1, it is in the place of tens, right? So now I am writing this 6 under the columns of ones at first, right? The next, I am giving this one carry to the tens column. So now come to the tens column. So 2 into 2. 2 2s are equals to 4, right? So 4 plus this 1 carry. So 4 plus 1, it is 5. So write down this 5 under the columns of tens. So which is our product? 56 is our product, right? So now I will show another one example. So my dear students, now come to the second problem, multiply 67 by 3. So in this problem, 67 is the multiplicand and this 3 is the multiplier, right? So next you have to arrange these numbers under the columns of tens and ones. So here the multiplicand, that is 67, right? So I am writing 67 at first. The next, the multiplier is 3 here, right? So I am writing 3 in the columns of ones because it is a single digit number, right? So place the symbol of multiplication, that is into in front of the multiplier. So the next step is multiply the numbers in the ones column. See here, 3 into 7. 3 sevens are equals to what? 3 sevens are equals to 21, right? So in 21 it is a 2-digit number, right? So but this one it is in the place of ones and 2 it is in the place of tens, right? So I am writing the 1 under the columns of ones. The next I am giving this 2 as a carry to the tens column. So now come to the tens column. So here you have to multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 3 into 6. 3 6 are equals to what? Yes, 3 1 is 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. So 18, right? So here 18 is, it is a 2-digit number, right? So 18 and this plus 2. 18 plus 2, it is 20, right? So but after 6 there is no number, means 100 place is absent, right? So I am directly writing this 20 here, right? So which is our product here? 201 is our product. Okay. So now I will show another one example to you. So students, now come to the third problem. Multiply 18 by 4, right? So here 18 is the multiplicand. So which is the multiplier here? 4 is the multiplier, right? So first you have to arrange these numbers under the columns of tens and ones. So here I am writing 18 at first, right? So because it is a multiplicand, right? The next I am writing this 4 in the columns of ones. Next you have to put the symbol of multiplication in front of the multiplier, right? So first, what is our next step? So 4 into 8. So here you have to multiply the ones with the multiplier. So 4 into 8. 4 8s are equals to what? So in the table of 4 8s are equals to 32, right? So this 32 is a 2-digit number, but in 32 it has 30 tens and 2 ones, or this 2 it is in the place of ones and 3 it is in the place of tens. So I am writing this 2 under the columns of ones. The next I am giving this 3 as a carry to the next column, that is tens, right? So now come to the tens column. So 4 into 1. 4 1 is 4, right? So 4 plus this 3. 4 plus 3 is equals to 7, right? So 4 plus 3 it is 7. So I am writing this 7 in the tens column. So which is our product? 72 is our product. So 18 into 4 is equals to 72, right? So now come to the last problem. Multiply 23 by 9. So which number are you writing at first here? Yes. So you have to write down the number 23 at first because it is a multiplicand, right? So now come to the multiplier. So which is the multiplier here? So 9 is the multiplier. So I am writing 9 here, right? So tell me, what is the next step? Yes, you have to multiply the ones with the multiplier, right? So it is 9 into 3. Yes, In the table of 9, 9 threes are equals to what? Yes, 9 1 is 1, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27. Yes, this 27 is a two-digit number, right? So, I am writing this 7 in the ones column. Tell me why? Because this 7 in the place of ones, right? So, next, I am giving this 2 as a carry to the tens column, right? Now come to the tens column. So here you have to multiply the tens with the multiplier. So 9 into 2. 9 twos are 18. Right? So 9 into 2. 9 twos are 18. 18 plus this 2. It is a carry, right? So 18 plus 2. It is 20. So I am writing directly here 20 because after the tens column there is no number here, right? Means 100 place is absent. So I am writing this 20 directly, right? So which is our product? 207 is our product. So my dear students, so now come to our textbook activity. This is in the page number 79 in your textbook. Look here, this is a page number 79 and this is an exercise number 1.9. So my dear students, so now come to the exercise number 1.9. So come to the first problem, that is 24 into 8. Right? So in this problem, 24 is the multiplicand and 8 is the multiplier. Right? So what is our next step? Yes, you always multiply the ones with the multiplier. So it is 8 into 4. In the multiplication table of 8, 8 fours are equals to what? Yes students, we have to recall the multiplication table of 8. So in that 8 fours are equals to what? Yes, 8 1 is 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32. So but this 32 is a two-digit number, right? But in that 2 it is in the place of ones, right? So I am writing this 2 in the columns of ones. The next, I am giving this 3 as I carry to the tens column. So now come to the tens column. So 8 into 2. So 8 twos are equals to what? 8 1 is 8, 8 twos are 16. 16 plus this 3. So 16 after 17, 18, 19. So write down here 19. So which is our product? 192 is our product. Right? So come to the second problem. 56 into 4. Right? So but in this problem 56 is the multiplicand and 4 is the multiplier. Right? So first step is multiply the 6 with the multiplier. So 4 into 6. In the table of 4, 4 6 are equals to what? Yes, 4 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24. Right? This 24 it is a two-digit number. Right? So, but this 4 it is in the place of ones and 2 it is in the place of tens. Now I am writing this 4 under the columns of ones. The next, now I am giving carry 2 to the tens column. So 4 into 5. So 4 5s are 20. Right? 20 plus this 2. 20 plus 2 it is 22. Right? So this 2 is a carry. Right? So write down this 22 here. So which is our product? 224 is our product. Right? So my dear students, I solved the 2 problems. Right? So remaining 6 problems you have to solve in your home. Okay? So now it's the time to give her homework. So all of you pen down. So my dear students, write down the 7 problems. You have to solve these problems in your home. Along with that, in the exercise number 1.8, we left 6 problem, right? So 6 plus this 7, total 13 problem you had to solve in your home. So along with that, you please by heart the table from 2 to 10, right? So my dear students, I hope you all enjoyed this class, right? In the next class, I will meet with a new concept. Okay students, bye. Have a peaceful day.